Well, we're gonna try this one more time without getting stung by a jellyfish. Shane, here we go. Not me. Oh man. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and every year we like to go on the Intracoastal Waterway in Myrtle Beach. So this year we're going to try to go out there, and I'm going to try not to get stung by a jellyfish. Let's go check it out. And this year we chose to go down the Royal Tiki Charters. Nikki's already got her spot. She thinks she's held her crown. She's not a morning person, so getting up at 8 o'clock in the morning wasn't for her. But you'll see it.
And welcome to Bird Island. And there's our crew right there. Are y'all having fun? Go!
You ready? We're going to do the walk of shame. Here we go. Not me. Da, 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 da.
So here's the other side of Bird Island. You can see the jetties. There's North Myrtle Beach in the distance. There's a far look at North Carolina. Let's see if we can get on the other side of the rocks. See a lot better now. There's a look at the ocean.
Come in here and when they come in and repair their nets, they'll usually will come in here where it's a lot calmer and they'll put their nets in the water and they'll start sewing shit up. And
It didn't actually wash up. It's just been sitting there.
Yeah,
feels like
it's just
lead is
washed
so
up
heavy.
there.
It actually washed up that heavy.
Yeah, it washed up.
Wow.
Yep. And then all these were,
Look,
this was all buried. I got more up there, but they were all buried around it.
Yeah, they came off the boat.
Yep. Definitely off of a boat.
I think
for
that
sure.
shit's off the Titanic.
Is it? Well, there you go. Let's take it to